eCapitol News Director Sean Ashley joins us with other developments at the Capitol this week. Sean, thanks for joining us.
You're very welcome.
Now, the State Health Department is holding a job fair to hire nurses to replace those that lost their jobs in the funding debacle. The OPEA doesn't like this very much, do they?
No, they don't. As you may recall, it was about a year ago that Oklahoma Watch first broke the story that our state health department was facing what was then described as a financial crisis. We later found out in May, however, that was not the case, and they were actually not facing any financial problems. The problem for the Oklahoma Public Employees Association is that in December and again in March, the department let go a total of about 200 employees, including a number of nurses that were state-funded and federally funded at county health departments all across the state. Now the health department is coming back and trying to fill some of those positions that became vacant when they let these other folks go. The Oklahoma Public Employees Association announced earlier in the week that they are looking at filing a lawsuit against the health department to help those individuals who lost their jobs recover some payment and also for payment for pain and suffering as a result of their dismissals.
Now, several new laws are going to go into effect concerning child and elder abuse. What are these new laws intended to accomplish?
Well, as you might expect, most of them deal with the idea of preventing child and elder abuse. A number of these arise from incidents we've seen over the last several years where individuals have been, elderly individuals have been exploited and abused by their caretakers, and incidents in which there have been known sex offenders in the homes of children. All of these laws are designed to prevent that, add extra steps of protection, and hopefully they will be beneficial to our elderly and to our children.
An interim study led by Representative Cindy Munson focused on dealing with generational poverty and untreated trauma. What was the takeaway from this study?
Well, I think probably the biggest takeaway from the study was that we have a number of different groups working on this issue, both at the individual level, helping those people who are in poverty learn new skills and perhaps find their way into the workforce, and then at the community and even the employment level, who are working with those individuals to further hone their skills and make sure they are receiving any additional services that they may need.
Now, just quickly, we have a design now for the new Bill of Rights monument planned at the Capitol. What do the plans call for?
Yes, this monument was approved by the legislature back in 2016. The design approved by the Capitol Preservation Committee is a two-piece limestone abstract carving that displays both the Bill of Rights as well as iconic images of the state of Oklahoma.
Sean Ashley from eCapitol News, thanks for joining us.
You're very welcome.